Hey guys, I just want to follow up on the second Casablanca Genesis. It's been since November of 2024 when this was first showcased. The original video I took of this ended up being rushed, specifically because one, my phone memory was running out, and number two, before I even took the video, there was an interesting zapping sound emanating from the motor. I hooked it up one other time in late 2025, and it didn't make that noise back then. You'll catch it upon initial startup in the original video. It is swaying a bit, specifically because of that one iron that's overpitched, and that's that one with the blue tape on it. I do have to tighten that box. I haven't gotten around to doing that yet. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but there is a whirling noise. I really hope it's nothing serious. I'm just going to show it on medium for just a second, because once it's up to speed, it's going to start bouncing around like crazy. Yeah, I'm not really comfortable with that. Full blast. I ran it on high for an hour at a time on both updraft and downdraft. And so far there are no heating problems, but of course on high, if it's constantly used on high, that's where we feel the most warmth. But it's not drawing anything above or below its rating. There's nothing wrong with the circuit board, there's nothing wrong with the capacitor. It's just whirling noise. I'm hoping it's nothing serious. It actually gets louder with the blades off. I'll show that later. I'm not going to show spin down again. I'm just going to cut straight to reverse. I'll be back in just a second. I put this K4S on it. It actually came with the Victorian when I got that one. I took it off because it looked too new. And I actually forgot I had a second set of this glass here. It's not entirely perfect. One of them did see quite a bit of an adventure. medium for just a second. And that is its original down rod. I was hoping that if it hung down a little lower, it would take away some of the wobble. I've been told that these slanted blade irons are not very easy to balance. They can be a bit tricky. So this one's still alive, which is good. I had a feeling that it was going to end up being a parts donor if something was giving out, but hopefully that won't be the case. And I have kept an eye on it since its original test. I do plan on letting this go sometime in the summer. I am going through what I'm looking to sell. I'm selling this and the second fan. But in the meantime, it'll see some exercise before it goes to its new owner. Either way, just wanted to pop this back up for another demo. And yes, the fan's still alive. On top of that, that's all for now.